Hey guys, welcome back to another Z-Bolt unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at the UURig C-RX0 Mark II vlog cage. So RX0 has been with me for a long time now, and I've been wanting to upgrade it because I need a hot shoe mount for the mic, because as you guys know, the RX0 has a mic input jack, which is really cool. So this is what the cage looks like. It's around 750 pesos in AliExpress, so not so bad, around the $15. So you get Allen wrench, putting it aside. Of course, you get the cage itself, and you also do get kind of GoPro mount, which is really cool. Right, and this is the cage itself. It's all metal in design, so definitely kind of already worth the price that you're paying for this really thick metal, and actually really cool looking also in terms of the finish. It's has some consistency with your RX0, so that kind of looks nice. Of course, you do get a lot of this stuff you can put in. Hot shoe mount. On the other side, you have a lot of more stuff. Also, you do have a lot of options here, of course. And of course, this is also Arca Swiss mount for your tripod, and that is really important for your tripod. And you also do get a nice filter thread right here. Putting the RX0 on is pretty easy. Of course, I guess it makes it a bit bigger, so that's something that you should consider, but it's pretty easy to put inside. So just screw it in with your coin, and voila, you have the UURig. And it's pretty weighty, so but it will protect your RX0. As you guys can see, you can still put your Mark II screen in front of you, which is very nice. Of course, you do get that hot shoe mount right here, and it will point to you. Still still compact kit, I would say. It's not still super duper big compared to a GoPro side by side. Of course, it's a bit bigger, but not that much bigger compared to a GoPro side by side. Yes, so I do like the UURig. Of course, I'm gonna link it down below if you want it for your RX0. I do recommend it if you are going for a super duper full on vlog rig. Of course, if you want to put this on a tripod and put your own mic here at the side, this will be a really nice addition to your kit, and it's really nicely built. Definitely worth the price that you're paying for. But that's another Z-Bolt unboxing for you guys. Shenzhen Ulanzi technology, really nice value overall. Of course, subscribe here for more ghetto unboxing. This is your iPhone only unboxing, and looks on super interesting gadgets in general. So if you're into that, of course, consider subscribing. Bye guys.